Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into one of my all-time favorite skincare ingredients, turmeric. This golden wonder is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for tackling acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Trust me, your skin will thank you. So get ready to upgrade your skincare game because I'm about to share 8 amazing turmeric-infused products that will have you absolutely glowing. Let's start with a classic DIY recipe, the fresh turmeric face mask. You'll need just 3 simple ingredients: fresh turmeric root, raw honey, and plain yogurt. Turmeric brightens and evens out your skin tone, honey hydrates and soothes, and yogurt gently exfoliates. Mix them all up, slather it on, and get ready for that gorgeous glow. This mask is incredibly easy to whip up and will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and radiant. For a quick and luxurious way to brighten up your complexion, try the Kiehl's Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. Turmeric fades dark spots and hyperpigmentation, while cranberry seeds protect your skin from environmental damage. It's like a spa treatment in a jar. Next up is Palmer's Turmeric and Honey Soap, perfect for daily use. This soap cleanses your skin while infusing it with turmeric and honey, leaving it soft and supple without stripping natural oils. Plus, the scent is absolutely divine, warm, sweet, and comforting. Let's talk luxury with the Biossance Squalane plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. This oil combines turmeric, vitamin C, and squalane for a transformative experience. Turmeric protects your skin, vitamin C brightens, and squalane hydrates and plumps up your skin. This oil will leave your skin looking radiant, youthful, and oh so glowy. For gentle yet effective exfoliation, try the St. Ives Turmeric and Apricot Scrub. This scrub removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Turmeric brightens while apricot extract gently buffs away impurities. Your skin will feel so soft, smooth, and radiant after using this scrub. For a moisturizer that evens out your skin tone, try the Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream. This cream tackles dark spots and hyperpigmentation with a potent blend of turmeric extract and other brightening ingredients. It's lightweight, making it perfect for everyday use under makeup. Struggling with breakouts? The ordinary salicylic acid, 2% solution plus turmeric is a game changer. Salicylic acid unclogs pores and prevents breakouts, while turmeric calms redness and inflammation. Say goodbye to pesky pimples and hello to clearer, calmer skin. For the delicate skin around your eyes, try the Murad Environmental Shield Vita C Eye Dark Circle Corrector. Turmeric and vitamin C brighten and even out skin tone, protecting the delicate skin around your eyes. You'll notice a visible difference in dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. And there you have it. 8 amazing turmeric-infused beauty products to transform your skincare routine. Remember, consistency is key, so find a few products you love and incorporate them into your daily routine. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay gorgeous.